it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we will be making a post-it note holder. This die set I bought on Amazon. It's Alina Cutle's new release for September, and these are the die sets we'll be using. So we've got the base, then we've got the layering pieces for the mat, we've got the actual post-it note holder with the layering piece, and then you've got designer or decorative pieces to go with it. So with that said, the heart looks like this. Very cute. And then you put it together. Really cute. And then you've got the same for the little piece as well. You can put a sentiment here, but you can layer them and make them look even cuter. We won't use these pieces for our project today, but we will use the base. So you'll need to cut one of these. This is the post-it note holder. And then these are the decorative pieces, the layering pieces, or the matte pieces that also cuts. What I like about this one is it actually is, you can see there's stitching on the side, so that's really cute. There is no stitching on this one, on this part, but there is stitching on this one. Can you guys see that? It's so pretty. And I like the little scallop down here. All right, so really easy to make or assemble. So let's get started. All right, so this is our project right here. Pretty easy. And so let's put our post-it. It's a whole post-it. It's really pretty. And also a pen. So I got these mini pens at Hobby Lobby. And they look like this. $2.99. But I don't want to just leave it open like that. I'm going to put a magnet on it because I think magnets are awesome. So these are really small, tiny magnets, but they do hold, they're pretty strong. Get a glue dot. I want to support it with extra glue. I don't want it to fall apart. I don't want the glue dot to come undone either. So I'll find my middle, and that's where I'll place it. So I'm going to hold it for a little bit. But what do you guys think? It's pretty cute, huh? What I like about this one is you can refill it without having to glue the post-it note down. I definitely made the post-it note where you would glue it down. And you know, it'd be good for one-time use, where I feel like this one can be used several times. It is paper, but I feel like it can be used more than once. Where the other one is once you used it, well, that was pretty much it. So now that we have that, we're gonna take this little magnet here and put it side by side with each other, and then I'll put a glue dot there as well, so that I can then glue it down on the other side. Ah, sticky, I apologize. Supporting it again with a little bit more glue. And I'm going to stick it back on. And I'm going to put the Post-it note back in for support so I can press it down pretty firmly. So, aligning it and pressing it down. Some more, just a little bit more. I'm just checking underneath, making sure everything's good. All right, so now pop it up. As it dries, it'll get stronger and hold, but there you go. Pretty cool, huh? Really easy. Easy to put together. The other version where you can stick it on is good too. It's pretty easy. People love it at craft fairs, but I think, again, the reason why I like this one is because you can refill it without having to toss out the paper, and you can definitely refill the pen as well. I did look at Amazon. They do have a bunch of these tiny little pens that you can buy, but I just bought this one. I'll be making 24 because they only have 2 of those pens. I'll see if Hobby Lobby has some more. If so, I'll buy some more. But that is my project for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I thought it was pretty easy. I'll leave the link for this die set in my description. Since this is fairly new, it's going to take a minute for you to get it. It took me about 2 weeks to get this die. But it is coming in, trickling very, very slowly in her store, but very, very awesome. Really, really easy. And I think you can make a ton of these for your craft fair, if not craft fair, for your friends and family. I mean, when I make things, I like to leave it in my office and just look at it because it brings me joy. So hopefully you like this project here. Let me share other things that I've done as well. So these have already been magnetized. But here's this one. I'll put Post-it notes before the craft fair. I'll sell it with Post-it notes. Same thing. This one's really pretty. I like the foil and the pink and the flowers. It's really pretty. Watercolor, paper, flowers. More watercolor, paper, flowers. This one I tend to not make it in Christmas colors, only because if it's a gift to use throughout the year, that would be good. But, you know, of course, I will be attending a Christmas craft fair, so of course I made some Christmas ones as well. These still need to be, magnets still need to be added on these, but here you've got your gnome. So very cute. Oh, sorry, I've got poppy flower, I believe these are. So I have 2 of those, and the cute little bees. Still need to get magnets. I've got daisies with bees again. More watercolor paper, and then I believe there's more. Oh, this one's magnetized. And then I've got Christmas one, hot cocoa, ribbons, more bees. I like bees. Mittens. A duplicate or another one of the hot cocos. And then this one, a ballerina. But this paper is actually called the Nutcracker paper from Echo Park. So very pretty ballerinas. Most of these paper, like these paper here, these designs here, are from Hobby Lobby. So they are selling their Christmas paper now, so that's really cool. I think, yeah, I think these are also Hobby Lobby. Oh, this one's Echo Park, but this one's Hobby Lobby. No, sorry, this one is Hobby Lobby as well. This is how I plan on displaying it in my craft fair and my point of sale table. So again, I only have 24 pens, so just starting off at 24, and then we'll see how it goes. If it's a hit, then I'll make more. If not, then I will just do a few. But as you can see, I want my customers to have variety. These are non-Christmas, and then of course these are Christmas. Here's an upfront view of the actual project we just made. Here's the little pen. And then up close view of the flower, the magnet, post-it note, how far it goes. Oops. And then again, the fact that you can refill it is amazing. Love the little magnets. So cute. Side view. All right. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a good week.